Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you honest, in-depth product reviews to help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we're talking about the Waring WSB40 10-inch medium-duty Quik Stik Plus immersion blender, a tool designed to tackle heavy-duty blending tasks with ease. Whether you're in the food industry, working with larger batches, or just need a reliable immersion blender at home, this model could be what you're looking for. Stick around as we take a closer look at its features, performance, and real-world usage. First, let's break down the Waring WSB40 10-inch medium-duty Quik Stik Plus immersion blender and what it brings to the table. This blender is built with practicality and durability in mind, especially for those who need a reliable tool for blending large quantities. The 10-inch fixed shaft allows you to mix up to 6 gallons at once, making it ideal for those working in commercial kitchens or for anyone who frequently handles large portions. Its stainless steel blade is tough enough for light mixing, but also precise enough for emulsifying, offering versatility in the kitchen. What's more, this blender is NSF certified, meaning it meets high standards for safety and sanitation, which is especially important in commercial food prep. When you first pick up the Waring Quik Stik Plus, you'll notice that it's lightweight, which is a great feature for handheld operation. You can hold it comfortably for extended periods without straining your wrist. The ergonomic design, paired with its simple controls, makes it easy to use even for beginners. There's no need for complex setups or multiple parts. You plug it in, and you're good to go. So whether you're blending smoothies, soups, or sauces, this immersion blender should handle those tasks without any issues. As for the real-world testing, I put this blender to the test in a few different scenarios to see how it holds up. I started with a basic smoothie, blending frozen fruit and yogurt. The Waring Quik Stik Plus did the job with no trouble at all, chopping everything down smoothly. I also used it to blend a heavier batch of soup with a good amount of vegetables. The performance remains solid, and I could see the potential for high-volume work, especially with its ability to blend large amounts without losing power. The only downside I noticed during testing was that the motor can get warm after extended use. This is common in many immersion blenders, but it's something to keep in mind if you're using it for long periods. Now let's talk about some of the strengths and weaknesses of this immersion blender. One of the major pros is its impressive blending power. The stainless steel blade does a fantastic job emulsifying and breaking down ingredients. It's durable too. This tool is built to last, and the stainless steel construction gives it a sturdy feel. Additionally, the 10-inch fixed shaft is a real standout feature, as it allows you to tackle large volumes in a single go. The ergonomic handle is another pro. It's designed for comfort, making it easier to handle for those longer sessions in the kitchen. On the flip side, the motor does get warm with prolonged use, which could be a concern if you're tackling larger batches or working in a commercial environment where the blender is in constant use. It's not a major flaw, but it's something to consider. In terms of value for money, this is where things get a little tricky. The Waring Quik Stik Plus comes at a higher price point than some of the more basic immersion blenders. But considering its performance, power, and ability to handle up to 6 gallons at once, you're really paying for a heavy-duty product that is built to last. If you're in a commercial kitchen or regularly blend large quantities, the price may be justified. However, if you're just looking for a simple home blender for occasional use, there are cheaper alternatives that will do the job just fine. When comparing it to similar products on the market, it's clear that the Waring Quik Stik Plus stands out for its heavy-duty capabilities. For example, brands like KitchenAid and Cuisinart offer similar models, but their immersion blenders usually cater to smaller, lighter tasks and don't offer the same volume capabilities as the Waring. The Waring stands out in terms of power and the ability to handle larger amounts, but if you're working in smaller batches, you might find a more cost-effective option in other brands. Looking at build quality, the Waring Quik Stik Plus is solid and reliable. The stainless steel shaft and blade ensure durability, and the handle is designed for prolonged comfort, which is essential when you're using this tool for long stretches. There's a clear emphasis on longevity, especially when you consider its heavy-duty design. Since this is an NSF-certified product, you can trust that it meets high standards for safety and sanitation, which is particularly important in a professional setting. I didn't have any direct interactions with customer support, but Waring is known for making reliable, long-lasting products. The brand has a reputation for building tools that are made to withstand the test of time. This should give you confidence when it comes to the overall customer experience. However, if you do run into any issues, I would expect the support team to be responsive and knowledgeable. Since this is a manual immersion blender with no complex software or firmware, there's no need to worry about updates or software upgrades. It's a straightforward, easy-to-use appliance designed to blend without the need for any digital intervention. In conclusion, the Waring WSB40 10-inch medium-duty Quik Stik Plus immersion blender is a powerhouse that can handle the demands of both commercial kitchens and home chefs who need something a little more robust. Its lightweight design, stainless steel construction, and ability to blend large volumes make it a versatile and reliable tool. While it does have a few small drawbacks, such as the motor heating up with heavy use, it still provides great performance for those who need it. If you're someone who works with larger batches or runs a busy kitchen, this could be a solid investment for you. If not, you might want to look at some of the lighter options on the market that are easier on your wallet. Thanks for tuning in to today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content. The link to grab your Waring Quik Stik Plus can be found in the comments box below. If you've already used this product or have any thoughts on it, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, goodbye, and keep blending with Reviews Inside TV.